What's up everybody, this is Lily unboxing from Kickstock.net. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing unboxing of Yeezy Boost 350 V2 lines, which is amazing with UV sensitivity. Let's go! I'm just so excited to see this. As we all know, it changes color under the lines. It is a nice white color, but then once I think it comes in the lines, then it obviously does change color, which makes the shoes amazing and fantastic. And I think this one is going to resell for a lot of money. So what do you think? Okay, let's begin. Of course, being a mainline Yeezy sneaker, it still features that mesh strip or transparent strip and the printed on the main body part of the shoe. Let's take a closer look at the mesh strip, which made from UV sensitivity materials. You have new it so the mesh stripe on the side which runs horizontally that changes quite magically so that it's pretty dupe. It's pretty nice. Now imagine these shoes that you know as reflectives. Yeezys. Check the pictures now. It shows the reflection on the lines. The mesh strip turns to yellow and the primate turns to pinkish or lilac colorway. Quite wonderful, isn't it? Then, starting things up the toe of the sneaker, you have got this standard mid-stitching. On previous Yeezy Boost 350 V2s, the workmanship is always good when you touch the primate with your fingers. For the laces, we've got same gray ripe laces that are actually seen as the regular Yeezy Boost 350 V2 laces. Here, moving up from the back of the shoe, you got this pull tab on bench, and you got the perfect knit mid-stitching as well. And now, on the middle side, so this is all done in printed and there is no stripe this side. And you will notice how the printed texture on the middle, which is really clean. And running down the interior of the back here, we have the signature Adidas 3 band stripes done in 3M. Well, now let's look at the midsole, which is done in the semi-translucent lime green finish. As always, we have the signature ribbon pattern that runs from here to toe. And then on the back here, you'll see how a portion of the outsole wrappers up and over onto the midsole. And this is done in this dark shadow of a chain, which is a very standard design choice by Adidas. So it's on the inside, you got the standard size tag. Taking out the inserts, those come with the standard 350 V2 inserts. So in this case, this is done in this light gray color. And we have Adidas and Yeezy branding stamped on here in orange. Now I have a tip of sizing of this shoe. As you all know, almost all Yeezy Boost 350 V2s fit a little bit small. And I would definitely recommend going up at least half a size. If you have wide foot, I just that you choose at least a size up. Well, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Please let me know what you think about them in the comment section. If you have any asked questions, feel free to contact me. I have left my contact information in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye!